Have you ever wondered how not to accidentally fall out of an airplane? Well, one of the first steps is securing the window seat. Always ensure the window is intact and firmly closed during flight. Despite their design to withstand significant pressure, airplane windows should never be tampered with. It's equally important to avoid putting too much weight on the window. Remember, the window is your window to the world, not an escape route. Now let's talk about the airplane door. These doors are designed to be nearly impossible to open during flight thanks to the cabin pressure. Trying to open the door mid-flight not only puts you at risk, but also everyone else on board. It's important to remember that there's absolutely no valid reason for a passenger to attempt to open the door while in the air. The door is there for entering and exiting the plane only when it's safely on the ground, not at 30,000 feet in the air. Finally, let's talk about keeping the airplane floor intact. Imagine the floor beneath you is robust, yet not invincible. For example, it's not built to withstand use of plasma cutters or similar machines. Such actions can inflict damage, which may, in the worst-case scenario, compromise the flight's safety. So let's avoid turning this into an action movie scene, shall we? Always treat the airplane floor as if it was the floor of your own home, not a trampoline or a cutting board. So how can we make sure we don't accidentally fall out of an airplane? Let's recap the main points. Always keep your window closed and never lean or put weight on it. Never, under any circumstances, attempt to open the airplane door while in flight. Lastly, avoid causing damage to the floor. It's simple steps like these that ensure a safe journey. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.